Well, I posted a video when we were almost finished. Now the pine trees are shading, but here's the finished house. There's the side of the yard. This is the pine trees are shading it, so you can't really see the green so much. Let's come out of the shade and see what we can get. I love this green. It blends in so nicely. Okay. And then come down the steps to the car, which is a 3-car garage. Still working on drywalling the inside of the garage, so we've got some things out here. Sawhorse and stuff. I'm going to pause it here for a minute and walk around to the backyard. There's the other door to the 3-car garage. Okay, so I'm in the back of the house. The carport is finished and painted, and my car's parked there. And we've got those up there. That looks super nice. And then we'll go to the back of the house. Still a few things sitting around that we're doing. And there's the back of the house. And then I'm going to swing around. There's the garden. And the barn that it's kind of like as one might say, a whitewash, but it's a greenwash. And then just did a few things on it. We've gotten all the wood in that's been around the property, wood splitter. And had some nice rain, so the grass is green again. There's the big shed back there, and we got 2 outbuildings, and we painted both those green. We've got the tractor and backhoe there. There's all the planks that were cut this summer to hopefully maybe do a carport in front of the house. And there's the wood barn. We've got, each bay holds about 10 cords, so we've got, looks like we got about 18 cords there. And then the front driveway, all done, looking good. I'll do a picture of some of the painting inside.